Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann, and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our second paycheck in December and going over our third paycheck in December. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. And I'm sorry I said second. This is our first paycheck. We're closing out our first paycheck and going over our second paycheck. So in our paycheck from December the 6th through the 12th, in our expense category, we budgeted $196.52 for our car insurance, $157.82 for Huntsville utilities, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $29.75 for Terminex, $24.83 for Netflix, $16.15 for Audible, and $15.25 for YouTube Premium. That came up to a total of $511.72. And in our actual category, that is exactly what we spent. We budgeted $500 for our cash envelopes, $400 for sinking funds, $70 for our savings challenges, $50 for our backup funds, $50 for rollover, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came up to $1,090, and in our actual category, we spent $460 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $40, $400 in our sinking funds, $70 in our savings challenges, $50 in our backup funds, $50 in our rollover, and $20 in our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,050, which was a difference of $40. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $1,725.08, minus the expenses of $511.72, minus the cash envelopes of $500, minus the sinking funds of $400, minus the savings challenges of $70, minus the backup funds of $50, minus the rollover of $50, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $123.36. In our actual category, our income was $1,725.08, minus the expenses of $511.72, minus the cash envelopes of $460, which was a difference of $40, minus the sinking funds of $400, minus the savings challenges of $70, minus the backup funds of $50, minus the rollover of $50, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $163.36, which was a difference of $40. In our paycheck from December the 13th through the 19th, in our expense category, we budgeted $400 for our extra payment, $186 for our chiropractor. There was a mistake on their end. They caught it. They're not going to go back and back charge us because it was their mistake. So our chiropractor bill will be $186, $72.99 for YouTube TV, $75 for replacement money, $55.64 for our home alarm, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, and $11.98 for our Google YouTube. That came up to a total of $817.80. We budget our cash envelopes at $540, sinking funds at $675, our savings challenges at $160, backup funds at $250. We're putting $200 in our rollover and $40 in our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,865. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861.47, minus our expenses of $817.80, minus our cash envelopes of $540, minus our sinking funds of $675, minus our savings challenges of $160, minus our backup funds of $250, minus our rollover $200, and minus our extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $178.67. So fam, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and join the family. We'd love to have you. Please stay tuned for our cash stuffing video, which will be coming up next. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.